How to add a name on your iPhone lock screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, drag the notification bar from the right side and then you'll get access to your control center and then choose focus. Now tap on the plus sign on the bottom and then choose new focus. Now you'll have to create a custom focus and you can put your name right there and you can even change the color of your name. And once you've changed the color of your liking, then you can even put an icon beside the name of your choice. So once you've done that, you just tap on customize focus. And then here you don't have to do anything, you can just come back. Now, when you turn off your phone, you can see your name right there on the lock screen. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.